Hey guys, how are you? Welcome to couponing. This is Splint Rose. I'm back because I have a haul that I want to share with you. Remember I told you I was going to do a haul just so that I could show you. But then what I decided that I was going to do is to just get some stuff so I can use up my Extracare bucks, because I didn't want to lose the Extracare bucks. So that's why I just wanted to use them up. I was not even concerned with what coupons I had or anything. I just wanted to use up my Extracare bucks because I lost about $62 in Extracare bucks. I think that's one of the things that really turned me off. And then when I called CVS corporate, they were not even trying to do anything with the Extracare bucks. Howbeit, though, they did end up giving me, what did they give me? They gave me 2 40% off coupons, and they gave me $20 in Extracare bucks. But I wanted my Extracare bucks back. But anyway, so I used the 40% offs, and today I went into CVS, and all I was concerned with was just using up whatever Extracare bucks I had, and that's what I did. So I'm going to show you exactly what I bought, and like I told you, I won't be couponing like I was couponing before. I don't think I'm going to quit it altogether 100%, but I'm not going to be doing couponing like I was doing before. All right, so I'm going to show you some of the items I bought. All right. Okay, guys, so the first thing I bought was the Scott paper towels. Look at this. It's the big 12-pack. They say it's equivalent to 22 rolls. That's how big and thick and durable the Scott paper towels are. So I bought 2 of them. Each one was $10.49. I had $19 in Extracare bucks that I used on this. And the thing is, when you buy $20 worth, you're going to get $5 back. So I couldn't help it to earn money back. So I got $5 back, okay? After I used the $19 in Extracare bucks, I paid $1.98 out of pocket, and there's the $5 that I got back. All right, so this was a 94% savings for me. So that was transaction number 1. Okay, guys, so transaction number 2 was the Charmin Ultra Soft bath tissue. And you see there's 12 in here, and they said it's equivalent to 48 rolls. But if we look at it, let's look at it. It is a little thicker than what it normally is. All right, each one of these was $12.49. And you had to buy $20 worth to get $5 in Extracare bucks back. So I use, let's see, 4, 5, 6. I used $11 in Extracare bucks to pay for that. And I ended up paying $13.98 out of pocket. And there's the $5 right there that I got back for having bought the tissue. All right. Okay, guys, this is the next transaction that I did. And as you can see, I bought these 16 endless fold-in Valentine cards. And they're the Paw Patrol. And I told you my little grandson is crazy about Paw Patrol. So I bought 3 of them. He could play with them, do whatever he wants with them, and just have a good time. They were $2.99 but they were 90% off, so it was 29 cents. I bought 3. All right. And then I bought these party cups, and this week, look at all the ones. I bought 5 package of 50 cups each. So how much is that? 50, 100, that's 250 cups. And each one was $3.19. Each one was $3.19, $3.19, $3.19. I bought 5. All right. And I used $8 in Extracare bucks for this and this. $8. I paid out of pocket $8.82. I got back 5. All right. And then, that was on my other one. I got back 5, but I also got, I think it was $8 off of 60. So, I mean, that was a good deal. You know, they want me to buy more stuff in CVS. Maybe I will buy more stuff. I don't know. Anyway, guys, my next transaction was these Kisses, Hershey's Kisses. And these particular ones have the flavor of hot cocoa or hot chocolate. They were normally $4.99, but they were reduced to $1.99. So, I'm sorry, $1.09. So 109, okay? So I bought 2. Then I bought 2 Talenti ice creams. Or not ice cream, but they're called gelato. So I bought 2 of those. And this week they were $3.99 each, or 2 for $7. All right? And I bought more cups because, you know, we have events at the church, and these are for the church. And they were $5.99 for each one. And when you buy $15 worth, you get back $5, okay? So, like I said, after I use, after I use my Extracare bucks, this, and I used $25 in Extracare bucks because I had this, and I had these cups, and I had this. And so that came up to, how much did I saved 92%. I used $25 in Extracare bucks. I paid $3.13 out of pocket. I got back 5. Oh, and here's the $8 off of 60 your next purchase. Okay, so I got money off for the next purchase. They know how to get you back. You know what I mean? Okay, guys, hold a second. Let me do my last transaction. So, guys, this is the last haul that I did, or transaction that I did. And what I bought was these Always Discreet pads for bladder leaks. And they were $11.99 for each one. It has 48 in it. And I have a customer that loves to buy these. I give her a good price at them. All right, so I bought 3 of those. And when you buy $30 worth, you get $10 back. And in the same transaction, I bought these Total Home plates. It has 48 in it. They were $5.99 each. Each one was $5.99. You buy $15 worth, and you get back $5. So I bought 3 because they were $5.99 each. So I bought 3 of them. And then I bought 1 of this type. And it says it's perfect for special events. And it's disposable for easy cleanup. So I bought this, and it has 8 plates in it. So anyhow, I'm going to take this and this to church. I'm going to take that to church. All right. So anyway, guys, with this particular transaction, I use $50 in Extracare bucks. I told you I'm trying to get rid of, just trying to get rid of all my Extracare bucks. I don't want to have any, even though I earned some back. But I didn't use coupons for this. I didn't have any coupons. I didn't even look for any coupons. I'm tired. Anyway, guys, so I used $50 in $50 in Extracare bucks. I'll let the Extracare bucks take care of it. Out of pocket, I paid $8.30. All right? And then I got back $10.15. I still got back money because these call for you to get back money. All right? So that's it, guys, for me for this week. I really wanted to get rid of my Extracare bucks because I don't want to have any reason why I have to go back to the store. Okay, let's see. When these expire in April, like April 7th. So I'll probably have to go back then to do a little shopping. But I'm not going to be couponing like I was in the past. And I really want to thank all of you for your suggestions. You really gave some wonderful suggestions. I'll do a video just thanking you. I love my Rosebuds. I love you guys. But I'm going to venture towards something else. And a lot of you gave me really good ideas. But I'll talk about that soon. But I just wanted to thank you for responding to the video. All right, so guys, this is my haul from CVS. Like I said, I wanted to use up my Extracare bucks, and as you can see, I did. Basically, I did. All right? Okay, guys, thank you for joining me. Remember, have fun shopping. Don't forget to subscribe to this video if you're not subscribed. Push the notification button so you'll be notified whenever I put up a video, okay? All right, guys, I love you much, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.